two shift cradles, a 997 and a 996. I've decided to use the 997 primarily because I couldn't find an alignment tool for the 996. I guess they're out of production. So this little tool that you use to get your shifter, precisely aligned correctly with the gearbox through the cables, there isn't one for the 996 that I can locate. So I'm like, I'm not gonna fight it. I'm just gonna get a 997. The tool is available and I'm gonna use that. Okay, so the function first kit is right here. Okay, this is all that comes with it. This is the yoke. This is the yoke. And this is the main reason I bought this kit, is to get this yoke, okay? So I'll show you how everything goes together, but I will tell you this. On their website, let me tell you, they have some PDF instructions. It's excellent. I read the whole thing twice. There's only one typo. I found one misspelled word in the whole thing, but I'm not gonna tell you where it is. If you wanna know where it is, you gotta read the whole thing. But it is really, really well done. Lots of pictures, lots of color pictures, okay? This is their instruction manual or instruction. Excellent. So I'm gonna come around. I think I'm gonna bring you, where should we, over here, in this way. Okay, so we can get rid of this one. I just wanted to show you that it was here. We're not gonna do anything with the 996 shifter, but you just got eliminated. We're going to first pop out this little plastic holder for the bushing. All right, so the first technique I'm gonna use, the first technique I saw, was use a X-Acto knife and just rock it on them. So you just go like this and kind of cut it and pop them off. So I'm gonna see if I can get one off that way. Come on. Cutting. They got a nice sharp blade too. These things are tough. So that's a note. Ta-da! It popped off. Now I'm gonna try another method. All right, so the other way is to use a small screwdriver and a small hammer, and don't go nuts. You don't want to crack your cradle here. Give it a nice little tap until it cracks off. And move to the other side of it. And now, so both techniques work. Now that's it. I'm not showing you all that. I'm gonna finish doing it and then I'm gonna take it out. It still takes a little work. There you go. And then look at that, beautiful. And there's our little block. So that's gonna be the next thing I have to focus on, is getting this little block. Make sure it's the right size. So what you do is you test fit it. And it fits perfectly, so I don't do anything. But sometimes it's too big, so you have to sand it down. And there's a washer goes on either side. All right. So here's the other washer. These are the washer with the larger holes. Okay, the large with the small flange, large hole. Put the snap rings on and put it back in. Back in. That's important. Look at the lesson I had to learn. Now, I think my washers stayed in there. So now I can just do the one. Awesome, I lucked up. With the bushings, make sure you slide them up with the slot, line them up with the slot. Okay, so that's as far as that needs to go. So I'm going to get my little snap ring pliers and put the snap ring on this one so it doesn't accidentally get bumped back out. Nice. So I'm just going to hold it and turn the screw from here, turn the bolt. Okay. So nut, down, bolt, turn. And it should go in. And there it is, it's in. So now, is this the right size? No. I need the right Allen for that. And we'll tighten that up. Okay, so now that's in. So now, the next piece is going to be this bottom portion here. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to put a little squeeze of this gray, ultra gray gasket sealer in my threads. Why? Because that's what I do. And has nothing to do with function first. It's just one of the things I do. And then notice the configuration here. Okay, that's where how those washers go. Tighten it down. And flip it over. Can I tighten it with this a little tiny bit? It's like that. Nice little. Doesn't have to be crazy tight because you got everything else. All right, so then we'll turn it around, and we're gonna do the same thing to this, and then we'll tighten this down because it's a lock nut. So this does not have to be tight either, just snug, and it'll be good. It does not have to be tight. And the reason I put gasket sealer, it never gets hard. It's not like Loctite. I don't want Loctite. It's harder to get it loose later. All I want to do is take out the little space in between the lash of the threads that might help cause it to unscrew through minor vibrations.